You might be asking yourself, who is never done projects?
Behind the house in that old 24 by 24, a dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we wrench under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engine's roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family so true, living our best life, every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
Well, hello everyone. It's Saturday morning. TV's doing an update, so sorry about that. But anyway, I guess they got to do it every once in a while. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. And today is Saturday, July 19th. What I got planned on doing myself, I'd like to do a live while I drink my morning coffee. I did stay here last night. It was kind of late, and I don't know. I kind of like camping in the camper, and that way I am saving a little bit on diesel, and I'm here. I want to get things going first thing this morning. Got a lot I would like to do. So I like to do a live while I'm drinking my coffee. I need to go over to the lake. I was supposed to do it during the week and I didn't, so I need to go mow at the lake real quick. Get that done, come back here. I'd like to give Seven a bath. I had to put the collar of shame on him. I'm running low on tape, and that's what I used to tape his foot up. And so I didn't do as good a job last night when I taped it up, and he got to it, and you can see where he's chewed the end of it. So I put the collar of shame back on him. I didn't want to re-wrap it. One, like I said, I'm low on tape, and when I get back, I'd like to give him a bath, so I'd like to unwrap it and wash it real good. I might leave the collar of shame on for a couple hours and see if it will dry out. But then I need to hook up the bush hog. I need to mow here at the shop too. Randy still isn't out of bed yet, so I don't know when he'll get here. But I'd like to work on Fireball, and I'd like to work on the engine station, get everything ready. I've got to find out, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to tearing the engines down and rebuilding them. So I got to find out what my next step is for the motor that I thought we need to send it to a machine shop, but I need to find out exactly what I need to do, how I need to clean it and start the rebuild process. But I'd like to work on that station, so I've got room to do it. And of course, I've got a live at 6 o'clock I do. I would like to, I'd like to get Randy here and find out if we can do a live with several different people at one time. Daryl's got a car show, I'm not a car show, a cruise in tonight. I asked him if he was gonna go live on it, and he said he's gonna try if it don't rain. So I would like to go live at the same time so we can see what he sees, and I'd like to see the cruise in myself. But that's kind of what I got going on. On the live, when we have the lives and stuff like that, I enjoy talking to everybody. So please keep coming in, talking. I do enjoy it. I would like to get more people coming in and having more conversations. I really do enjoy it. But like I said, we got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. If you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. It's a beautiful day. I think storm's supposed to roll in tonight, but it's a beautiful day. Get out there and do what makes you happy. And sunshine can be your friend. So get out there and get some vitamin D from that sun and enjoy life. If you're not on your projects, go get on them. Enjoy yourself. Make yourself happy because nobody else is going to. And remember, everybody, keep it silly. And thank y'all for watching. If you're watching it, have a good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. I do appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Randy's got a 93. It roars like a lion's pride. Metal jet black with a hardtop ride. His boys in the 95, red like a sunset flame. Drop top down, chasing that family name. The Camaro Z28 boys tearing up the track. Smoke in the air, rubber burning black. Father and son, side by side they stand. Never done projects, wrench in hand. Under the floodlights they lay their claim, doing burnouts, building a YouTube name with grease-stained fingers and hearts of steel. Every turn of the wrench, you know it's real. One pass at a time, the world takes note. With every rev, they write their own quote. The Camaro Z28 boys tearing up the track. Smoke in the air, rubber burning black. Father and son, side by side they stand. Never done projects, wrench in hand. Small town dreams broadcast worldwide. Each burnout's a story they never hide. Underneath the hood, a legacy's alive. 93, 95, they thrive and drive. The Camaro Z28 boys
Well, hello everyone. It is Saturday night. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Like I said, it is Saturday night, July 19th, and I did a live this morning while I was drinking coffee. I ain't even checked see how many hours it done, but it done good for. I wasn't on with a little bit over an hour. I did go mow at the lake. I had a little bit of a problem. I took the jump box with me, went over there to mow. I did look for some parts. I was going to take y'all with me, but I couldn't find the parts I needed, so I'm going to have to get Randy to. We're going to have to order some more parts to put these cameras on different things. But anyway, when I got over there, the lawnmower battery wasn't strong enough to fire it up, so when I hooked the jump box to it, my jump box was dead. So I had to come back here, let it charge for a couple hours. Well, I charged it for 2 hours, and then I went back to the lake, fired it up, and was able to mow. I do need to go back and weed eat and spray, because there was under my boat and everything, it looked pretty bad. And on top of that, my boat needs to be washed. It looked pretty bad. I did give Seven a bath. He actually, I say laid down, but I think he kind of slipped, but he fell down. He just laid there. I think it did good for his foot to be able to be soaked, and I was able to wash it a little bit. I was able to cut his toenail. It was pretty long, so I cut it down. If he wouldn't have chewed on his foot, I think he'd be a lot better off, that's for sure. But it is what it is. I got to give him some more. Randy bought him some soft food. I'm trying to mix it with his hard food, but it's giving him the runs. But anyway, he's walking around like he's about half blind too, so I don't know what's going on. I may have to take him back to bed and get him checked. But I did give him a bath. I did not mow at the shop. I didn't get to do that. I did work on Fireball, very little, but I did work on it. I did not work on the engine stand place, and I did my live at 6. The live at 6 actually lasted over 4 hours long. I had a lot of people from Australia. I had one came in there at the end there, well, I'd say about the last 2 hours, from the UK. Cool guy. He even got his daughter to subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up and everything, so that really helped out. But all in all, it was a good day. My sidekick didn't show up. As you see, I'm by myself, and I didn't like it, but you know, it is what it is. It does good for him to you know, he does have a family. I can cut up with him and everything, but I mean, we are trying to get this up. We got a few more hours to make it to 4,000 hours, and I really wanted to get my car down today, but it'll be all right. We'll work on it tomorrow, next week. But anyway, it's all good. Like I said, if you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. And I did forget a part. We got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. With that being said, if you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. The only way they're going to get finished is if you get started. Like I said, a 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. You got to get started in order to get done. And what you need to do is think positive, have good thoughts, stay away from negativity, and enjoy life. I'm telling you, I cannot say that enough. Enjoy your life. You only got one to live it. You live every single day. You might as well be happy. There's no sense in being unhappy in this world. So take that at heart and go with it. So anyway, y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this. And I want to tell each and every one of you, thank you. Remember, keep it silly, and y'all have a good time. Good day, good night. Thank you.